Are you suffering from attention deficit hyperactivity disorder? If you don't know, then you are at the right place, because in this video, I am going to explain what ADHD is and what are the symptoms of it. One of the most common mental disorders affecting children is attention deficit hyperactivity disorder. Many adults suffer from ADHD as well. People become hyperactive and impulsive as a result of it. ADHD affects around 8.4% of children and 2.5% of adults. ADHD symptoms are typically recognized at a young age and may become more noticeable when a child's environment changes, such as when they start school. Until recently, experts believed that children overcame ADHD during childhood due to brain development changes. However, they currently estimate that 7 out of 10 children with ADHD will grow into adults with this disorder. ADHD risk may rise if you have a blood relative with this disorder or other mental health problem, your mother smoked, drank alcohol or took drugs, you were exposed to environmental pollutants as a kid, you were born prematurely. ADHD can have an impact on a person's quality of life. People with this disorder may struggle to establish relationships or hold down a career. If their condition remained undiagnosed and untreated as a kid, they may have struggled in school. A lifetime of dealing with this behavioral problem might lead to poor self-esteem. To deal with these feelings, some persons with ADHD experiment with drugs or alcohol. People with this disorder are more prone to suffer from personality disorders as well as other psychological issues such as anxiety or mood disorders. ADHD is only diagnosed when symptoms are strong enough to create persistence issues in more than one area of your life. These unpleasant and chronic symptoms can be traced back to childhood. Adult ADHD diagnosis can be challenging, since certain ADHD symptoms are similar to those produced by other conditions such as anxiety or mood disorders. In addition, many people with ADHD have at least one additional mental health disorder, such as sadness or anxiety. Symptoms of adult ADHD include impulsiveness, disorganization and difficulty prioritizing, ineffective time management skills, problem concentrating on a task, trouble multitasking, excessive activity or restlessness, ineffective planning. To diagnose ADHD, a doctor will ask about the child's symptoms and examine their behavior. There is no one-size-fits-all test for ADHD. Instead, a doctor will gather data from parents, teachers, and family members. They will then take a diagnosis based on the responses and information provided regarding behavior during the preceding 6 months. A physical examination will also be performed to rule out any additional or underlying health issues. If you want to gather more information about ADHD, then watch this video right now.